Hello dear students, today we are going to study poem 1 of your textbook Hornbill. Name of the poem is A Photograph. It is written by Shirley Toulson. Shirley Toulson was born on 20 May 1924. She had a great passion for creative writing. She was influenced by her father, who was also a great writer. Let us read the poem. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so. In this paragraph, poet is looking at a photograph in which her mother and two cousins are seen standing on a beach. The cardboard word here depicts photograph. They went to paddling. Paddling means to move hand or feet in shallow water. So it is understood here that they might be standing on the seashore where there was shallow water. So they went paddling. She further says that cousins were holding her mother's hand, poet's mother's hand. Mother's age was 12 years approx when this photograph was taken. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born. And the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. All the three girls were smiling. Their hair came on their faces due to the breeze at the beach. Their uncle was clicking their picture. She finds her mother's fate sweet. The sea was washing their transient feet. Transient means temporary. The people came there for a short time, for a short visit. But sea never changes. Sea is always there. It is all still the same. But the person whose feet sea was washing has changed a lot. Some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. See, Betty and Dolly, she would say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. Now, after 20-30 years, when poet's mother sees the photograph, all her memories are recalled. She would laugh on the photograph and say, see, Betty and Dolly. Betty and Dolly are the two cousins of mother. She also told poet to notice their dresses, how they were being dressed for the beach. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter. Both wry with the labored ease of loss. In this paragraph, poet says it was a memorable beach holiday for my mother. And my memorable moment is my mother's laughter. Here both refers to poet and her mother. Both of them had lost something. Poet's mother had lost her childhood and poet had lost her mother. Wry means showing disappointment through expression. So both of them wry means both express their disappointment as both of them had lost something important, an important part, an important time of their life. Now, she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. Its silence silences. Now poet misses her mother. First line of this paragraph suggests that poet's mother died some 12 or 13 years ago. As that girl lived, that much the girl lived. Now she has nothing to say. She is nostalgic, poet is feeling nostalgic, and everything becomes silent and empty. All these things, this situation has silenced the poet. She has nothing to say. Concluding, we can say that the poem is divided into 3 stages. In the first stage, the poet's mother is standing at the beach enjoying her holiday with her 2 girl cousins. She was 12 years old. In the second stage, about 20-30 years later, the poet describes her mother laughing at her 2 girl cousins dressed up for the beach holiday. In the third stage, the poet remembers her mother with a heavy heart. Here, the nostalgic feelings of the poet are revived.